Hello. So here I am. I've got a Toyota Yaris 2006 model with this radio. I don't know whether like with that radio. Yeah. And it's got no OGS, no AUX or OGS, which is an OG auxiliary port. So I bought this off of Amazon. This is apparently a Bluetooth thing and it'll sort it. So let's see what happens. That's what's in the box when you open it. So I've opened it. That's it, look. Read the operation guide included for a better experience. That's it. Tiny thing. It goes in the fag lighter port, which I'm going to shove down there. Comes with these instructions. I might read them. We'll see.